Dehumidifiers at the HVAC Training Symposium. This is a new model from Santa Fe. So they've got up to 150 pints per day, and this is a smaller design, I believe. This new thing is kind of cool. What I wanted to show is, first of all, they've got like new sensor options, and everybody's trying to do, I think, a good job with trying to make the controls a little easier. We have this, which is a new digital control for this humidistat. So basically you don't have to use one of the, what I use is the Honeywell kind of like off the shelf $100 sensor. This thing will be less expensive. It doesn't have the electronics. You just control it right here on the unit. This was always a 10-inch going through a MERV 13. This comes from the house. This one used to be a 6-inch from outside. That would give you about 25% of the total airflow coming from outside or for makeup air or whatever you wanted to use this for. Now they made it 8-inch. So it's basically 40% of the air coming through this thing is going into this, this top one, which is very interesting. This is what it looks like, the guts of it. So first of all, we got this MERV 13. It gets sucked tight to the machine when the fan is on. You've got 1, 2, 3 cooling coils and 1, 2 reheat coils. This is basically an air conditioning system that's all contained within one box. They were trying to explain how the efficiency on this step down is like, this is slightly cooler, this is real cold, and then this is slightly cool again, so just kind of step it back up. I don't understand all the efficiency stuff they were talking about. One thing that I want to just bring up is the outdoor air coming in is on top. This company is based in Wisconsin, and so the air from the house comes through here, which you can see all of that would go through the cooling and drying coils. All of it also would go through the reheat coils. But on the top here, we've got a little bypass where not all the air is going to go through the cooling side, and some of it would just go through the heat and then mix and go out the exhaust there from the fan. So I'm interested that you could actually flip this and make this the outdoor intake and this the indoor intake if you wanted to. I'm not recommending that, but I just think that like the way that this is set up is clearly a northern climate thing. If it were me in Florida, I would want all the outdoor air to definitely be coming through this cooling coil and the stuff that's bypassing it coming from inside. So anyway, I just thought that was kind of an interesting thing. There's new kind of, developments in all these things, but I think that the thing that you need to be really cognizant of is what the warranty is on this new stuff, because some of these companies are trying to sell to you on Instagram and they don't have a 6-year warranty, and you might buy it and it doesn't work. So pick a company that's gonna do things that is proven by the contractors in the field. They've got all different sizes and stuff like that, so obviously look at the data. But yeah, interesting stuff.